everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic quick tip with my man, Harry Potter. Do the Patronus, baby.
Yeah, check this out. So this is what happens when your high limit on the front derailleur is not set correctly. It is going to kick that chain completely off of the big ring there. So put your chain back on. Go to your shifter, give it a few shifts. That is too much play in that rear derailleur, and it's kicking it chain right off of your big ring.
Front derailleur?
So, front derailleur. So much like you saw if you watch the video on the rear derailleur, what I'll do is I'll continue shifting, dial in my high limit screw until that play is completely eliminated. So right there, there's no more play in there. I'll test it. The chain is no longer being kicked off to the outside because my limit is now set correctly. And that is how you do that. Good luck.